topic is about the definite integral. So, the difference between definite integral and indefinite integral is that definite integral has limits. So, the limits are defined. That's why it is called definite integral. The symbol of the difference between the definite and indefinite integral is that it has limits. So, the symbol, the integral of, this symbol, this symbol here is read as the definite integral of f of x with respect to x from x is equal to a to x is equal to b. The function f of x is called the integrand, and a and b are called the lower and upper limits. So, yun yung tinatawag na limits. So, the difference between the definite and the indefinite integral is that definite integral merong limits. The limits of integration. So, we have defined that the integral of f of x dx from x is equal to a to x is equal to b when a is less than b. So, since a is defined as the lower limit, so it has to be na a is lower than or less than b. So the other cases are taken care of by the following definitions. So the integral of f of x dx when f of x dx from x is equal to a to x is equal to b is 0. But if a is less than b, na yun nga naman talaga yung definite integral, a is less than b because a is a lower limit, then it is the integral of f of x dx from x is equal to a to x is equal to b is equal to the negative of, eto class, nagkamali ako dito, wala dapat yung b dito sa taas. So, buburahin natin yan. It should be, dapat wala yung b. So, negative lang niya. So, kung ang lower limit ay a, and upper limit ay b, i-equate siya na magiging upper limit ay a at lower limit ay b, kaso nga lang, introduce natin yung negative sign. So, the properties of definite integrals. Property 1, kapag may constant sa loob ng function, pwede nating ilabas yung function sa labas ng integral for any constant c. And property number 2, there are two functions, that is the f of x and the g of x. Addition man yan o subtraction, pwede nating i-separate. So, in the function, the integral of f of x plus minus g of x dx from x is equal to a to x is equal to b, equivalent siya sa integral of f of x dx plus minus integral of g of x dx. And property 3, etong property 3 naman, meron tayong parehas na function. So, we have function f of x. So, parehas na integral of f of x dx. The difference is that yung limits. Kaso, yung first function natin, lower limit is a, upper limit is c. The second function, lower limit is c, upper limit is b. So, since ganun siya, pwede natin siyang i-convert na from a to b na lang. Kaya dito, plus yung first function plus yung second function natin, pwede natin gawing isang function na ang lower limit ay a, tapos ang upper limit ay b, provided that c is in between a and b. And property number 4 is that pwede nating gawing, ang property number 4 ay parang dun sa fundamental theorem. I-integrate natin yung f of x dx and then i-multiply natin yung upper limit minus the lower limit, b minus a, for at least one value of x as x is for at least one value of x when x is equal to x sub o. And for property number 5, if we have a function u, that the function u is equal to the integral of f of x dx with lower limit a and upper limit b, then the derivative of that function is f is yung derivative ng integral na yun is yung mismong function, that is f of u. Then, so ang gagawin natin sa pagsosolve ng definite integral, madaming type ng theorem, pero ito yung pinakamabilis, the fundamental theorem of integral calculus. So, in the fundamental theorem of integral calculus, if the function f of x is continuous on the interval of integration, which has a lower limit that is a and upper limit that is b, then, and if f of x is any indefinite integral of f of x, then gagawin natin is, ang ibig sabihin nitong equation na to, i-integrate natin yung f of x dx, and then isa-substitute natin yung limits ng b at saka ng a. So, pag nakuha natin yung integral ng f of x dx, yung value ng x dun, ay isa-substitute natin yung upper limit minus yung value ng pag-substitute natin ng lower limit. Para mas maintindihan, gagawin natin dito sa example. So, we have the integral of 2x squared minus x cubed dx with lower limit negative 1 and upper limit that is 1. So, ang una nating gagawin ay i-integrate natin yung 2x squared minus x cubed. So, 2x squared dx, integral niyan is 2x cubed over 3. Yung x cubed naman ay x raised to 4 over 4. So, dati linalagyan natin ng plus c. Pero, fundamental theorem of calculus, sa-substitute natin yung lower limit and upper limit. So, para sa dalawang functions na yan. So, 2, substitute natin 1 over 3 minus x natin is 1, 4 over 4. Then, yung lower limit naman, 2, negative 1 raised to 3 over 3 minus negative 1 raised to 4 over 4. So, ito yung sa upper limit minus sa lower limit na substitution. Okay, so 2/3 minus 1/4 minus negative, minus na malaki, okay, minus 2/3, negative 1 raised to 4 is 1 minus 1/4. Since negative 1/4 minus negative 1/4, makakancel to. So, magiging 2/3 minus negative 2/3, this is 4/3. So, ang answer, class, for this one, the integral of 2x squared minus x cubed dx from negative 1 to 1 is 4/3. So, that is definite integral. Okay? Another example, we have 2x, example number 2, dx over square root of x from 1 to 4. So, the integral of dx over square root of x from 1 to 4. So, how are we going to solve this one? Paano ba to? So, para siyang, nasa form siya ng 1, 4 dx. Nasa form siya ng x raised to negative 1/2 dx. So, ang integral ng x raised to negative 1/2 dx is x raised to 1/2 over 1/2. Tama? 1 to 4. So, x raised to 1/2 over 1/2, x 4 raised to 1/2 over 1/2 minus 1 raised to 1/2 over 1/2, that is 4 raised to 1/2. That is square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 over 1/2 minus 1 over 1/2. So, this is 4 minus 1. This is 3. Okay? Next, number 3. The integral of dx over x plus 2 from x is equal to negative 6 to x is equal to 10. So, para din siya kaninang integral of negative 6, 10, x plus 2 raised to negative 1. Kapag ganito, ln yung answer natin, di ba? Negative 6 raised to 10 dx over x plus 2. So, this is what? So, para siyang du over u, that is ln of u. So, the answer is ln of x plus 2 from negative 6 to 10. So, ang answer natin is ln 10 plus 2, 12, minus ln of negative 6 plus 2, negative 4. So, ano yung magiging answer? Ln of 12 minus ln of negative 4. On our calculator, okay, I'm going to, hanapin ko pa yung calculator ko. Ln of 12 minus ln of 4. This is 1.0986. Okay. Next, we have number 4. Okay, so for number 4, the integral of sine 1/2 t dt from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 2 pi. So, gagawin ulit natin. Integrate natin yung sine 1/2 t dt. This is what? Sine 1/2 t dt. Integral of sine is negative cosine. So, cosine 1/2 t over 2. Ay, hindi. Times 2 pala. So, we have our neutralizing factor, that is 2. So, negative, okay, ulitan natin ng ink. Negative 2 cosine 1/2 t from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so, going to substitute it, cosine 1/2 of 2 pi minus negative 2 cosine 1/2 of 0. Okay? So, 2 pi over 2 is pi. Cosine pi is negative 1. So, negative 2 times negative 1 is 2. Minus cosine 0 is 1 times negative 2, it's negative 2 times negative, it's positive. So, plus 2. So, the answer is 4. So, solve this one. Sine 1/2 t dt from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2 pi is equal to 4. So, ganun lang yung definite integral. So, definite integrals is meron siyang limits. Dun sa indefinite integral kasi, ina-integrate lang natin yung function. Dun sa indefinite integral, meron tayong plus c, yung constant of integration. Dito, wala na yung c kasi nga, masosolve natin siya kasi nga, known na yung ating limits. Okay? So, we have practice problems from 1 to 9. You're going to solve that and then you're going to pass this one. Deadline class is after a week. So, deadline is Sunday. Ipopost ko sa Schoology. And then, you have an exercise, a practice exercise. You're going to answer this one and pass it before the time ends. Okay? So, ilalagay ko din to sa Schoology as an assignment. So, I'll check class. If beyond the time kayo nagpasa, hindi na yun, ina-accept. Naintindihan? So, you're going to answer this one and pass it before our time. Okay? So, that's it. Thank you.